there, it's Ashley from WTI. PB2 powder has been around for a while, and if you haven't tried this yet, then I would highly recommend checking out if you love peanut butter. This is an easy way to get the protein that peanuts pack, yet you're not getting all of that fat. And this is the original one. I really like this because in just 2 tablespoons, I can get 6 grams of protein. So I love to add this to my protein shakes. I put my protein powder, my greens, my MCT oil, some of this, some almond milk and ice, and you're good to go. It does have a distinct peanut butter flavor. If you're not liking peanut butter, then this isn't the option for you, but if you love peanut butter like me, then I would highly recommend getting this. You can also use this in baked goods. I would love to try this in some peanut butter cookies. I think that would be really good. But I'm really happy with this. It blends in really nice. It has the consistency of cornstarch. So that's the best way I could describe it. It's not like flour, it's more of a finer blend. So you don't get any type of clumpiness in your shakes. And I really love it. But that's just my point of view.